for our game 1. Kupunan nila Apigo versus Sir Froy. Meron tayong championship, ha? Ayan, ha? Froy, inside. 2 points. Ang gaan ng katawan ni Sir Froy. On the right side, Apigo. Inside, no, deny. Apigan, sumay. No, wala. Inside to Ilano. Ilano on the move. It's traveling violation. Number 8 on the left side. Pull up 3. No. Gets the ball. Fast break transition. No. Whoa, my goodness. Inside. There's a foul. 2 free throws. Good ball. Number 8 for the free throw. 2 shots. First throw. No. Second throw. No. On the middle. No. On the left side, in the middle. Faking. Spins. No. Inside. Wala. Nagpapadali. Stops and pull up. Sure ball. All 2. On the right side. Left side on the middle. Faking. On the glass. Wala. Hindi pala glass. Apigo on the move. Oh! Apigo saves and 2 points. 4-2. Number 8. Hey, spin. Uh-oh. Tumayo. Inside. No. Back to Apigo. Apigo. To 3-point pay. No. Number 11. Inside. What a play. That's on 4. Tumayo on the left side. Apigo faking. Ang lalim. 2 points. 6-4. Froy inside and breaks a foul. 2 free throws para kay Sir Froy. No. No. Inside, wala. Rebound. Nagpapadali number 8. Trap. Oh, no. Fast break. Stolen ulit ni Apigo. Apigo, behind the back. Pull up. No. Fast sa ilalim. Stolen ni number 11. Number 11 on the move. Number 11. On the left side. Froy and 1. On the 6. No. On the left side. Inside. Ada la pasa. Ay, open man. Inside. Stolen. Fast break transition. No. Inside. No. Good. Uli-ulit. Sir Froy to number 10. Number 10. Faking. To Sir Froy. Pull up. Yes, sir. 8-6. Nalalaban, ha? Apigo for 3. Connects. Leaky wide open. I take it back on 3. Number 11. 3, no. Apigo on the move. Last, hey. On the cross. Inside, what a play. Back to number 8. Number 8. Rebound ulit kay Apigo. Inside, no. Roy, slicing, and 1. Grabe si Sir Roy. 10-9. Pag na-shoot, change short, ha? No good. Oh, what a star step. Oh, cross. Back to Apigo for 3. Change score. Grabe si Apigo. 12-10. Lamang ng dalawa. Ang kupunan nila Apigo. Back-to-back 3-point with the same spot. Sir Froy. No. To number 11. No. Apigo on the rebound. Back to Butyong. Number 8. Number 8. Cross. Oh! And creates a foul. There's a foul in the end. 2 points para kay. 2 free throws para kay number 8. Ang ganda ng pagka-shake. No. Second row. Completes 13-10. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds in the game. No. Sir Froy. Inside. Oh! Connects. What a play. 12-13. Gandang pasa. Number 8. Number 8. Finding the open man. Faking pass on the middle. No, number 11 is there. Inside and foul. Sumunod. 14-13. La Salita, number 11. Connects, dalawa lang yan. 15-13. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Last on the move. Patay. 3. Diretso. Oh! Ang lakas ng meron. Inside. No. Same ball. Oh! What a play. Napasa. Oh! Same ball. Baseline ball. Good. Inside. Sumayo. Back to 3-point range. Diretso. Wala! Oy! Kanya ulit! 20! Inside! Wow! On 15. Last 1 minute and 14 seconds. 3. Connects. Grabe siya po yan. 18-15. Number 8. Oh! Last mabawi! No! Number 11. Foul! Down foul. Good ball. Baseline. Pwede ng official rep, no? Training yan si Paolo. Kala nyo ba? Oh! Number 8. Ang tulit. Oy! Ito ba? Sasayang. Sir Froy, fake to number 10. Open ka pare. No. Sabi niya, let's set the game. Number 11 inside. No. Oy! Good. Last 40 seconds. Oy! Pushing foul. Side ball. Last 30 seconds. Depensa kayo, depensa, tatlo lang yan. Oy! Grabe. Huli! Down foul. Side ball, last 19 seconds. Grabe yung pagkabuta. Grabe ka naman, Lance. Same ball, 7.5 seconds. 20-15, 12.6. 10 seconds. Oh, 2 points. 4.7. Game ball. Counted? Not count. Okay. 20-16. Panalo sila Sir Floyd.